We've gotten our fair share of snowstorms this winter, as we all know by now. And while we turn to the lovely Gil Simmons to tell us what we can expect each week, there's more to it than just knowing how much rain or snow is falling and where.
And joining us live this morning to talk about a pretty cool mission launching today, looking at some of those weather mysteries, is NASA scientist Dr. Michelle Thaller. Good morning, doctor. Thank you for being here.
Yeah.
Good morning. Great to be here. Thank you.
So in a couple hours, NASA is going to launch a new satellite that's going to measure rain and snow up in space. Why is this so important?
Well, yes, so GPM, the Global Precipitation Measurement Mission, is actually an international consortium. It's run jointly by NASA and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. And from space, you can actually get an entire view of what's going on all over the globe. Where is there snow falling? Where is there rain falling? Anywhere on the planet. Now, GPM is actually a constellation of 9 different satellites. And today we're launching sort of the mothership, the main central core of this observatory. We can actually see anywhere on the planet every 3 hours and tell you exactly how much is falling out of the sky
now,
for the
Doctor,
first time in history.
I'm the meteorologist here, so this is kind of like a tease for me. Is this data going to become easily accessible over time? I mean, to someone like me that wants to look at this and share it with our viewers?
Absolutely. We're going to have lots and lots of data, and it's going to be going out free to anybody on the planet. So because fresh water is so important to literally everyone, from farmers in Africa to people that are responding to emergencies and storms, this data is going to be going out free to any government that wants it. I'm sure there's going to be wonderful things for a meteorologist to do with this.
Oh, I can't wait. I'll tell you that already.
And Doctor, we've had several hurricanes here, some really bad weather we've experienced in our state. How is this going to help you to be able to predict these big weather events in our state?
Well, you know, one of the main goals of GPM is actually to get a much better understanding of how violent storms behave. Two of the main instruments we have are actually 2 radar beams, and they can cut through a storm, almost like doing a CAT scan of your brain. And so here you see a visualization of GPM flying overhead, beaming down these radar beams.
That is awesome.
And it can look inside a storm and see where the intense precipitation is. I know, it's totally awesome. So here's Hurricane Katrina, which didn't hit you guys, but it was a slightly different one. And you see those very high red areas inside the hurricane. Those are areas of particularly intense precipitation, and those affect how the storm actually moves over time, whether it intensifies. So we're actually going to be able to sort of take x-rays through the storms and see what's going on.
Awesome.
That's going to help us figure out what's going to happen to them.
So important. Doctor, we're out of time. I could talk with you alone here for about another half hour about this, but hey, we certainly appreciate your time this morning and helping us out.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Be sure to go to our website. Yeah. Thank you.
All right.
Will do. Thank you so much. And that mission launches in just a few hours. How cool is that?
Yeah, it's going to launch from Japan, but the nice thing is, even I'm sure with some winter storms, they'll be able to use this and look and see how strong they are before it gets here. And that will go into these computer models you hear about too. So this is all good stuff to help me,
Another weather
to help
tool for you, right?
Exactly. Love that.